We are leaking. Patch that up and hope I don't die. We are fine. We are fine. Everything is fine. We are not fine. Where am I? There they are. This is fine. This is fine. I know what I'm doing. I'm a professional. They don't know. They still don't know I'm here. I may have been trailing them, but they don't know. They don't know. They don't know. Why would they know? They wouldn't ever know anything. I'm the genius here, not them. I don't know what they're doing. I don't know what I'm doing. My ship's gonna sink, but I just want to get on their boat and just go to a corner and hide forever. Do I just drop sails here? Can I just... No, I can't. Okay, well, that sucks. They were going to Dagger. Okay, I was right. I'm just gonna drop anchor. Cannon over and just see what's happening. That's not where I want to go. I want to go to the island. Doesn't look like the island. Hey, what are they doing? That's rude. I never shot at them. Hey, chat, what is happening? You know what, fuck the boat. Who needs boats? Boats are not a necessary subject. They'll never find me. If I just... They don't know. They don't know. What is this? I'm scared. They'll never know. Just be quiet. I don't know what I'm doing. Where's the hide button? It's not D. They don't know. They'll never know. They don't know. This should be fun. She's the Sea of Thieves I'm in for. I have no idea. Tons. Favorite. I don't know if they can hear that, to be honest. I don't know if they can hear Seor. I don't think they saw that. They don't know. It's fine. They can't see me. Whoever comes in this room, there's nothing in this room besides the quest table, which no one uses, especially not these high-ranking brigade players. Hello? 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 I think they heard that. No, they don't. They don't know anything. I'm fine. I'm sane. I'm mental. That's what I am. Shh. I really don't know what to do from here. I'm kind of lost. Why did the bike fall over? Because it was too tired. I'm not sure if they could hear that, like, genuinely. But I hope they can, because it'd be way more funny if they could hear it than if they couldn't. Why do you knock on the fridge door before opening it? Because there might be salad dressing. I wonder if they can hear me. Nervously biting my nails right now. What do I say next? What are some other good jokes? Just pretend you didn't see me. I'm being assaulted! I'm being assaulted! I don't want to be here anymore. I'm scared. No 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 no. I may not be dead, but I am morally wounded. Well, I didn't die. That's a plus. Other than that, I don't think I achieved anything. Okay. Uh, uh, hello? Uh,
Hello.
uh, uh, I really didn't expect to come back here, to be honest.
Yeah, I came over here on that thing and saw like this entire ship was on fire, so I like stopped the burning and whatnot.
I appreciate it. Uh, After it went up in flames, I kind of thought it was toast and hitched a ride, and they kind of kicked me off.
I didn't know anybody was gonna come back, so I started like taking stuff. Ooh, I started like
Uh,
taking what and stuff and whatnot. You can have some stuff back though.
you're okay.
All right, all right.
You know, actually, some
Ooh.
food might be nice. I'm kind of out.
Oh yeah, hold on. I got plenty of it. Um, yeah, just take some food from me.
Okay. Or I appreciate it.
Mhm. Just want to take some like cannonballs and whatnot. I don't need all of it.
Nah, you're okay. You can keep them.
All right.
Hmm. Quite surprised I'm back here, to be honest.
Mhm.
It was burning for a long time.
Yeah, by the time I came over here, like the water was already at the top step. I just like immediately started bucketing.
I appreciate it.
Mhm.
Anyways, I'll be off now.
All right. Hope to see you around soon. Where are we going?
Merry Christmas to you, and to you a good night. You got the whole squad laughing. I don't know what to do now. Kinda lost my content. Well, I don't know what to do. I'm a little lost. Kinda thought my boat would burn down and head out to an island, and it was quite unexpected to show up in the middle of you know, I didn't expect the boat to still be up, to be honest. It was kind of unexpected. Kinda unsure about that one. I'm kinda sure that's a rock. Huh. Well, it be that way in the Sea of Thieves sometimes. You got the the people who kicked me off the boat, which honestly were not that great at killing me, but I could have killed them. I tried to jump off the front of the boat and get back on the boat so I could keep hiding, but oh, it's probably fine. But I did not know where the ladder was on that ship, so I failed. guys. In the meantime, I'll crash to this island and end the video, because I don't know what else to do. So, would you like a banana? Oh? Okay. Sea of Thieves. Yeah.